Hi, this is Manesh Patel from ichimokutrade.com. Today is July 24th, 2013. This is our Ichimoku analysis for the currency slash Forex market. It's been a while since we've done this video. We've kind of been on vacation for the summer. We're going to start getting back into gear into things going into August and September since vacations are almost over for all the kids and everyone. Anyways, this is our normal disclaimer. This is state this is for education use only. We're not soliciting you to buy or sell any particular instrument. If you do so, you're doing that at your own risk. Today's presentation and charts are pretty much going to be viewed on TradeStation. Here are our contact details here, info@eicapital.com, or you could call us at any of these office locations here, or you could basically go to our website, which we have a lot of free resources and everything out there. It's free to register, and you can access our multiple time frame emails or our videos or anything else out there. Okay. Let's go straight into charts and start looking at some of these currency pairs. It's kind of exciting things going on right now. If you look at Australian CAD, this is basically bearish trending on both the daily and weekly. It's kind of going down to a point where it's oversold now. Support right now, it's kind of butting against it, is 93.93. Resistance on this one long term is going to be 97.08. Short term resistance is going to be 95.67. Australian yen, if you look here, was trying to go for a major pullback here, which basically was trend here, pull back to about 89.94, but we got to break this resistance here, 92.36, and kind of start getting above there to sit there and try to retest the high. But this is long ways from retesting the high, so I have a feeling we're going to consolidate here for a little while for the Australian yen is concerned. Okay, Australian Switzy. Here, as you can see, it's trying to trend on both the daily and weekly, but it's ran into a major roadblock, which is basically at 85.40. Resistance on this one's going to be basically 88.78 and 88.35. Australia, New Zealand, nice bearish trend here. It's continuing its move down right now. As you can see, resistance in this is going to be 1.1823. Which is the first one, but this is continuing to move down. If you're in it, just keep on enjoying the ride. As all the way as far as it could go. Australian USD, you could see here. You notice a lot of the Australian pairs, they're bearish. So what's that tell you? Australia's basically gone weak, and there's been a trend against it. So here again, this is a trend both on the daily and weekly. We're at a major support, which is 90.34, resistance 93.93. A lot of people are trying to go counter trend against Australian right now. I don't know why. There's no signs of it. CAD Switzy, nothing really going on except consolidating between 88.79, 91.94. The trend is bearish. If it could break that support, it's going to start a trend both on a daily and weekly. So keep an eye on that. CAD Yen, still bullish. Really hasn't gone through a pullback at all. Support on this one's going to be 96.37. Resistance is going to be 100.47. Switzy Yen. Really still trending here, very strong, just like the CAD yen, but this seems to be stronger. It's butting against its resistance right now, which is 107.39. Support on this one's going to be 104.42. Let's go look at the euro pairs now. Euro Australian here is trending on both the daily and weekly, butting against the resistance right now, which is 1.4443. Support on this one's going to be 39.456. Euro CAD. It was trending, but now kind of consolidating here, where it's kind of stuck at 36.20, and support is basically going to be 33.87. So it really is not moving much right now. Neither is Euro Switzy. Here's the range here, which is 2.089 to 25.67. Euro DKK is really not doing anything either, consolidating between 45.49 and 46.05. Euro Pound here. It's trending, looks like it's trying to trend here on the bullish side, but never sit there and kind of made a move up to retest the high here, which is kind of weakened it right now. So I'm not really going to say this is bullish because it's weakened now. Support on this one's going to be 85.55 and 65.51 is the resistance. Euro Yen, Euro Yen. Here is trending on both the daily and the weekly. Trending on the weekly, but kind of consolidated here on the daily due to this little consolidation pattern within this trend here. If you look at it here, it's butting against the resistance at 132.32. Support is going to be 127.47 moving forward. Euro NOK right here, nice little pop up here, and it's kind of pulled back, held the support basically at 76.84. If it could hold that support, it could make a move to resistances, which is basically 96.61, and then go to about 8.0635. Okay, Euro New Zealand, not really much doing anything here. It's had a major support at 65.40. Next resistance is going to be 72.25. Euro SEK, not really doing anything except ranging between 56.96 and 77.11. Euro USD, nothing really going except ranging between 27.62 and 32.29. Pound Australian, basically pound is strong right now, so this is trending here on the daily and weekly. We broke for resistance at 66.42, which is now support, and we're trying to retest the high up here, which is about 68.50, I believe. Pound Switzy, nothing really going on here, just ranging between 4001 and 46.36. Pound Yen is trending basically upward on the weekly, kind of consolidating here on the daily due to this consolidation pattern and pullback here, but basically it's holding the support at 147.26 and 151.89. Resistance, of course, is that the high right there, 156.53. Pound New Zealand, really not doing anything good except going sideways. It's ranging between 88.83 and 94.53. Pound USD, really not doing anything now except consolidating. Had a little downward move here between 48.85 and 55.98. New Zealand CAD, really not doing anything here except ranging between 80.17 and 83.83, 83.63. New Zealand Switzy, not doing anything except ranging between 72.11 and 75.47. New Zealand Yen, not doing anything here. It's doing the pullback to about 80.36. It's going to be a major pullback level. If it holds there, then it will pretty much come down to about 75.60. If it breaks it, then it's going to retest the high at 7,600. So keep an eye on that one as we move forward. New Zealand USD, really not doing anything except ranging between 77.09 and 79.63. Singapore Yen, strong just like all the other yen pairs here, butting against resistance 79.32, support 77.62. US CAD, really not doing anything here. Had a chance to keep on going, but decided not to. Came back and pulled all the way back to 270. Resistance on this is going to be 372. US Switzy, not doing anything except ranging between 92.71 and 95.94. USD KK is doing nothing except ranging between 64.36 and 80.85. US Hong Kong ranging here between 75.25 and 75.88. God, these US pairs are boring. Here, US Yen is ranging between 97.56 and 101.808. Well, getting tired just talking about it. US NOK is ranging between 84.52 and 96.60. Nothing exciting there. Same thing here. And same thing here. So if you look at everything in the currencies, basically the Australian pair has taken a hit, where it's basically going weak against all the other currencies out there, but they are getting into a lot of oversold scenarios, so the Australian may get some pullback happening sooner or later right now. And then that's it here. There's not much really going on right now. Yen pairs are still weak, so CAD Yen, Switzy Yen are still very, very strong currencies moving forward. So there's not much really going on right now, as you kind of expect for the summer. There's not many new trends out there right now. So there's a lot of short trends within the small time frames, but not a big ones on the daily time frame, except for the Australian pairs, which pretty much have moved already, and it's too late to get in. Next one, we'll have to see. Maybe it's Euro, USD, Euro, Japan, New Zealand. We don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at any information here, and I'll see you soon.